Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Patrick here. Today's gonna be a very crazy day. Gotta get a lot of things done for the day, so let's get right into it. Hope everybody's doing good today. I'm going to make me some breakfast. It's about 10:30 and I really need to eat something. So I'm going to make an egg and eat that with a bagel. Also I need to start eating the pineapple that I have in there. Because I haven't been eating the pineapple that much. I think I need to really eat it. So I'm going to start making an egg and then the bagel and making me some coffee. I don't know if I want to do grits or not. I don't want to eat too much, but I might actually do grits too. So we have enough grits up here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take this down and get one of these grits and make me some grits. So I'm gonna do an egg and the bagel and grits with all that cooked. Really relax for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get a couple things done today. Later today, after my mom gets off from work, I'm gonna stop by Target because I got to get my best friend Daniel a birthday present. Tomorrow I'm going to celebrate his birthday at a bowling alley. So it's gonna be so much fun tomorrow, just hanging out with him and his family. I just need to get him a gift card, also a birthday card too. And I already got him one thing ahead of time last year because I didn't give him at all. So I'm going to just go ahead and give it to him tomorrow. So I'm gonna really take it easy, get what I need to get done for the day. I'm not gonna rush myself to get everything done today because take it easy, just get what I can get done. So get my things I want to get done today. The main thing I want to do is keep on get some research done on the jobs and get my degree in web design, which is just need to keep on doing that. So I'm going to get started cooking and just really see how much I can get done today. Really take it easy, get a bit done. If I don't get done today, I can get done tomorrow. Got food done, so eat. I need to get a couple things done. I know I said it's not kind of film of me doing things around the house. I just feel like just giving us a little update what's going on. Just really get some things done. I've been wanting to get done, which I haven't done yet. I need to really do more research of jobs and get my degree in web design, and there's a couple things I want to organize in my room. And I got some papers I need to keep shredding. So I've got to get things done. When I get done, I got to get done tomorrow. I'm just gonna really see how much I can get done. I'm not gonna rush myself, like I said. I'm gonna really take it easy and get as much done as I can. I've been chilling for a while and I need to organize it. And there's a little bit of a mess. Not that bad, but I need to organize it a little bit. And also, in this one, you can tell it's a little bit of a mess as well. So I gotta organize that. And then I got a photo of there, one of those containers I need to go to and organize it because there's a lot in there and I need to look at it and just go through it. So I'm gonna get that done now, and then later I think I'm gonna just do a little bit of research of jobs and then get my degree in web design. But yeah, overall, it's been a very crazy day today so far. Just really gotta get a little bit done. And also, I really need to put all my clothes away. I'm just going to relax and get what I need to get done. And just really not stress out too much about it. Take it easy and get it done. Get it all done, all organized. That look much better than it did before. And now I'm going to go and do the other one. And I'm going to really try to take it easy. And I am glad that I'm getting this done. That didn't take that long as I thought it would. So I'm going to really try to relax and get the other one done. I don't think I need to really use this vacuum, but I have to use the vacuum for the other one because it was so dirty inside. And I've been using these rubber bands to help out. So I need to really keep those out and see. I need them, so I'm just gonna put them over there and see if I need to vacuum this around there or not. But overall, it's come along and just gotta keep on getting it done. Got all organized. I'm happy that I got this done and it looks better than it did before. And it's just coming along and just really going to take it easy and just get all of it done. Now I need to really try not to stress out right now because it's this lot to get done. But I am very happy that I'm getting stuff done. So got those two done. Now I've got to get some others done. I'm gonna put this back in my way. I'm still gonna use the rubber bands because I do need to use those for some stuff. Make things much organized and much better. So I'm glad everything is coming along. Oh man, a lot, but I'm glad I'm getting it done. I got all these I need to organize. Look at all this stuff in this one folder in here. All this I need to go through all these stuff and just really organize it and just really figure out. Because I think I am going to keep most of these things, but some of them I just really need to organize it a little bit better. So I'm going to go through it all and just get this all organized. Taking a break because I'm hungry now. So eat fish, the rice, and have a bagel. And we really need to keep on researching of jobs, the web design. So I'm going to do that in a little while. So I'm just going to sit here, relax, and get a little bit more done. It's been a very crazy day. Going to sit here on my laptop, get a little research done on jobs and web design. Gonna write all down and just don't give up book. Really write things down, all the jobs that I find in web design, and just really keep on researching. I really haven't been researching or applying for jobs, and I really need to get to it. So if I don't do it, and it's not gonna be good. So I'm gonna keep on doing that. Try to really do that every day. Because if I keep on doing research, then eventually I will get a job. So it's really a little bit stressful, but I'm just trying not to stress out too much about it. So yep, I'm gonna just get that done, and then later I'm gonna go to Target to get my friend Daniel a gift card for his birthday because he wanted a gift card because that's what he wanted for his birthday. So I'm gonna just get my friend Daniel a gift card. I already got him one thing, right in that basket down there. So I'm gonna get a little bag to wrap all of that and a birthday card. So I'm just going to really try to take it easy, just get it done, and then go and get the gift card for my friend Daniel. And tomorrow's gonna be fun, celebrating his birthday. Tomorrow's his actual birthday, so it's gonna be really fun celebrating on his birthday. Going to a bowling alley, and I'm just really so excited, and I'm just gonna have a good time. So yeah, time to get a little bit of research done. So here at Target now, looking at the gift cards, deciding what gift card to get to him. I think I know what I'm gonna get him, and I gotta get him a birthday card as well, and also the bag to put the gift bag I got for him at the house. So it's gonna be very crazy. I'm gonna get it done. Just gonna keep on looking at these gift cards and see which one I want to get. So couldn't find the gift card at Target, so here at Publix, looking at the gift cards. See what I can find. Getting the burgers started on the grill. Getting it.
The burger started.
Flipping the burgers.
His mother is flipping the burgers, not him.
Yeah. Smelling this plant. Yeah, like his mother. Oh yeah. It smells
This
good.
is basil.
That's basil.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that smells good. Smelling this plant that my mom got. Yeah.
What to do?
Yeah. It does smell good though.
Yeah, it does.
I like the smell of it. It's really, I like it a lot. And also my mom's being crazy. Check on the burgers and see if they'll cook.
And she's eating them.
And then we're gonna put cheese on 2 of them because I don't do cheese on mine.
Okay, which one do you want?
I want the one in the middle.
You want that one?
So the burgers are done, my son, but it's gotta let the cheese melt on these 2. The burgers are all done. Time to eat some good hamburgers. Going to get the room for the grill. Just need to get it out. It seems like it should be not warm. Yeah, this is for that one. So I'm going to really get this inside. Or I might go out here. I don't know. But I have to think about it. So I'm gonna go in, and I think I'm gonna just go ahead and put my clothes away because I got a lot of clothes I need to put away. It's not really too much, but I gotta do that. So no, I just gotta throw it away. You know what I mean? I don't know. I'm trying to think if I want to throw it away in there. I just throw it away inside. So I'm gonna go in, throw this away, and then I need to put all my clothes away. All the clothes put away. I've been on my laptop for a little bit, just doing a little bit more research in jobs and web design, and I did start applying for one job. I haven't finished it yet, so I'm gonna probably finish it tomorrow. Also got other things done, keep doing more research, and I just really need to fold some clothes that need to be folded. So I'm gonna try to get a little bit of things done tomorrow before I go and celebrate my friend Daniel's birthday. And then have a good fun time tomorrow at his birthday party at the bowling alley. And just really enjoying my time just hanging out with him and just celebrating his birthday. So I really need to get ready for bed and get some rest. I think I'm gonna read a little bit of the first book of the Soldier Ones because I really need to keep on reading that book before I go to bed. So I am tired but not too tired, so I think I'm just going to read a little bit of that book and then go to bed. So yeah, it's just been a very crazy day, organizing, getting a little done, and researching for jobs in web design. A little bit stressful, but I am making progress. I'm very happy for what I have done. I'm glad I got some stuff organized because when the role right there and the one there were really like a mess, and I need to organize them, and I'm glad I got that organized. Plus the one folder very full, and I went through it, threw a couple of things away, and just also put some stuff that were in there in the basket down there, and I really need to get that done, which I am so glad I got it done. So yep, it's just gotta keep on getting a little bit more done tomorrow. Not as much as I need to get done as I got today, but really need to do some research. So I'm gonna see how things go tomorrow. But overall, it's gonna be a crazy fun day tomorrow. I am gonna have a good time hanging out with my friend Daniel at his birthday party, celebrating his birthday. It's just really trying to be positive with everything and trying to find a job. Just really difficult, but I know I can do it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and be who you are. Bye.